Once upon a time, there was a very wise doctor. He could make medicine that could cure any illness imaginable. This doctor had many children. One day, he traveled to a distant land. While he was away, his children mistakenly drank poison. They became very sick. Some were in pain, some lost their minds, some were close to death. Others were only a little bit sick. When the doctor returned from his long trip, he saw that his children were very sick. All the children, even though ill with poison, were very happy to see their father return. "Welcome home, father," they said. "We are so happy to see that you have returned safely. While you were away, we were very foolish. We all mistakenly drank some poison. Please save us from this suffering." The doctor went to work, grinding, sifting, and mixing various herbs. He made a powerful medicine that had beautiful color, excellent fragrance, and wonderful taste. This medicine was perfect. Bringing the medicine to his children, he encouraged them to drink it. "My children, here is medicine of excellent fragrance, taste, and color. Drink this, and your illness will be gone, and you will be well." Those children who were only slightly ill immediately took the medicine and were quickly healed. The children who had lost their minds refused the medicine. They were confused by the poison in their bodies. They refused to believe that the father's medicine would help them. "My poor children," said the father, "because you have consumed poison, your thinking has become twisted. When you saw me return home, you begged me to cure you. But when I offered you this medicine, you refused it. If you won't take this medicine, how can you be cured?" Although the children's minds were confused, their father allowed them. He had to think of a way to get them to take the medicine. And so, finally the doctor said, "My beloved children, hear me well. I am old and weak and may die at any time. I leave this medicine here for you. Even if I should die, your sickness can still be cured with this good medicine. Please don't doubt that. I must now leave for another trip, so please remember what I have told you." The doctor then traveled to another land. He sent a messenger home to tell his children of his death. The children were stunned. They had never expected him to really die. They said, "Our father is dead. Now we have no one to rely on." Then the children remembered the medicine that their father had left for them. In tears, they each took some of the medicine and were immediately cured of the illness. To their amazement, their father returned home. For the first time, they realized how great his love and mercy was for them. You see, in your life, you have been gifted a wonderful present. Whatever you may say, God, universe, spirituality, from our birth, we all get this beautiful medicine. It is inside of us. It tells us what is right and what is wrong. It gives us strength. It lets us imagine, lets us dream. It lets us fulfill our wishes. It helps us to achieve whatever we want. As we get older, we forget. We forget what it means to dream and to believe. and thus we descend into nothingness. Let us not forget, the universe has blessed us with a beautiful medicine. It is our choice to accept it or not.